Alright, welcome back to the channel and another video on the Transit. In this video, I'm going to start tidying. Now, if I step back, obviously the tools on the seat and a couple of tools on the floor from me, but the grime on this van, that is as it was. Absolute filth all over. So I've moved the bits that were in the way, but as you can see, it is bad. So I think looking in under there, best option is going to be take these seats out. So I'll get the seats out and then we'll have a look at what we're left with. There's the passenger seat out. Definitely made the right decision. So it doesn't take long. I've got both seats out now, got a nice fresh start, and I might just go over this with a roller. Can't be bothered spraying it, it's too much effort. So I might just roller it with a bit of white just to freshen up the inside. So what I've done here is vacked out all the interior, then I've gone over it with some neat all-purpose cleaner. I've used thinners in a few different areas, like on the dashboard, which you'll see in a second, because the all-purpose cleaner just wasn't getting it where I needed to get it. See how well it's come out though. I'm going to cut in here, just show you where I'm up to. So this half, done all the floor. Been using a stainless steel wire brush, so it's not quite as aggressive as a steel one. Started on the dash, bit of discoloration here, but get back in the light. It's come up fairly good. Cubby hole, still a little bit of dirt in there, but I can live with that. Top of the dash is all nice, and then you can see where it goes onto absolute grime moving forward. A little bit of overspray. I've been using a little bit of thinners and a magic eraser to get rid of that, and it does it really quickly. Just to give you a quick demo, just on this bit here. There you go. So it's not just the overspray, that's why I wasn't overly bothered about covering it up too much, because I know I'm going to get rid of the dirt as well. So I'm going to carry on anyway. Alright, so here's how we've ended up after the clean. It's not perfect, but it's 100 times better. I'm going to mix up some paint and I'm going to roller on and brush on just a touch, just around there. And I'll see if I can dig out some trim clips to clip this back up as well. Quick update on how the paintwork's going. So I'm just brushing it on now. Got 2 coats on in that corner. Just gonna need to mix a little bit more paint up now. I'm gonna have to get a fan in here though, because the air's not moving through enough. I painted the step, looks tidy. It's getting there. Right, so there you go, that's second coat on. It's just been brushed on. By absolutely no means perfect, but I'm happy with that. I think it looks a lot neater than the metallic blue that was in there, and it suits the van. So when you're looking now, it's at least the right colour. Right, so I've got the inside of the truck nice and clean now. Time to move on to the seat. So if I show you just how bad it is, absolutely filthy. So I've just got some carpet stain remover, just a strong brush, and I'm just going to have a work on it and see what I can do. As you can see, driver's seat, 100 times better than it was. It'll be half safe to sit in once it's all dry, so obviously I'm going to have to leave that out here for a while to dry. I need to source a seat base. I did want to put covers on, but I'd rather the originality, so I'm going to have to try and source a seat base. Just a quick look at the difference. Obviously that's the soaked up in jet wash side compared to the side that's not been done yet. I appreciate you shouldn't really jet wash them, but it's the only way it's going to work. And just do a comparison. So that's the cleaned one, that was actually the worst one, and then here's the passenger, absolutely full of grime. So I'll get on with that one next and we're getting on our way. There's the step in, looks really well. If anyone knows or has got for sale a trim piece for here, I'm missing that trim piece. I'd really like to get hold of that. Right, so that's the passenger door card on. It's not perfect, obviously. It's screwed in. I need to get some black, probably dome head screws in it. At some stage, I will be recovering this with like a leatherette. So I'll cover over that. But the door card is solid, and that's what's most important. And the modification I made to that, absolutely perfect as well. So get the next one on, and then I'll put the headlining back in. I had the seats drying over last night, so it's loud. I've got the fan on, I've got the heating on, and I've got the two seats leading up into rain. I'm probably going to have to leave this on for a couple of days, see how hot it is. It's only showing 16 degrees, so I'll let that build up and hopefully the seats will be dry soon. Alright, gonna get the headlining back in now, give it a jet wash, let it dry in the garage. Obviously there's stainage still on it, but it's a lot better than it was, and I've managed to get it into a bit of a better shape, so we'll get that back up. So we're wax oiled fully up there, which is great, Hopefully no signs of rust now going to come through there. So I've got the headlining back in. I didn't have any grey clips, so I've had to put some black trim clips in. It's not perfect, it could do with maybe another couple of clips putting in, but I'm happy enough with that. Dash has had a quick clean. I'll clean it again properly once the seats are in. The seats are drying in the garage at the moment. I've got the garage set to 32 degrees. Seats are right in front of the radiator, so hopefully that'll be done, but looking pretty good. Floor's definitely cleaner. This door card's a bit knackered, but as I mentioned, I'll end up recovering that one day. Alright, so I've got the interior all cleaned up, as you can see now, or the insides of the van I should say. I'm going to go and grab the interior out the garage. It's been drying now for I think 3 days, so hopefully that'll all be bone dry, so we'll get that fitted back in. Got a ripped seat which I need to try and find. Bulkhead behind's all painted, which looks good. Passenger seats come out well. Just need to clear bits of rubbish off the dash and we're all set. Right, thanks so much for watching. I reckon that's got to be, well, it's definitely the dirtiest interior I've ever cleaned out. Absolutely made up with it now. If anyone can help me out though with the driver's seat base, where I could get one from at a reasonable price. I didn't pay a lot for the truck, so definitely don't want to spend a lot on that. Either that or I'll just put a nice cover on it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.